Tambor Kapatisi TV Kabul ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka ba kamskem kamstet kamklan bat baduna bam umpnya
Chief Executive Member Jongga Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council uba Thombor Siwat haka Laipotrek Urisau Arajar Apsan ulaitu baka Council kala menjor ban pedian yaka jingterwa jongga sorkar ban siu yaka tulab jongki nongtrai ringkat daka jingbu ru yaki kendon haka jingkran bat kila pasai kubor hadian ka jinga kendu ya usembut menteri rangba kejela uba kemi yaka tanah District Council Affairs uba Preston Tensong uba Thombor Siwat ulaong baka council kampat pha yaka jing ajubab syaka sorkar jela bat yaturu baki kendon ki baka council kalabu ki long halor ka jing angnut ban penyat yala ki jong ki jing penmi khajana ba kenthop na ki marpo khndo baret bat bahe na ki kali ya ki bala lumhi menta da ka sorkar jela.
It's now lagi putting for another 6 months. But till date we didn't submit that agreement to the government whether we are accept or not to pay the salary from the government. That is not yet settled. Today also I met the change that what we are working. So actually we have done it. We will accept it, but in condition.
So what will be your conditions?
Condition to, because you know our district council have its own resources. Suppose agriculture from mines. This is of forestry for major, for minor, for transport. This collection they used to collect it by the state government, then they will pay to them.
So you want that the council should generate revenue and should not depend on the state government?
No, might be we could not depend on our council, but we want the help from the state government.
So this 6-7 months, what is the financial implication?
We will see what is the state government because at present some share of the council could not be calculated. No, so if calculated, then we will see what we will get.
So they have calculated on. So they have to government is to give. So once it is given, you will accept the package.
No, they will give us not. It is our share. We have to accept. No.
Champion uba shisha uta uba itho ya uwepal champion uba tip pan hapan yakun wat yaladi panjam shakmat nakatagadaw ni tepakan nongre makas lepyeng ka dangkam da champion ka thalai amritsem ka CSX gel technology jongka ka aya ka jingkran ka jingbet ka bajanai bat ka jingjali amritsem.